In today's video, we're diving into a surprising potential breakthrough in modern medicine: frog skin. From ancient remedies to cutting-edge scientific research, frog skin could be the key to fighting infections and more. Stick around as we explore how these amphibians might unlock new treatments for diseases. Frog skin is packed with antimicrobial peptides, which help frogs survive in their wet, bacteria-filled environments. These natural peptides serve as the frog's built-in defense system against harmful bacteria and fungi. Now, scientists are studying these same peptides for use in developing new antibiotics and antifungal treatments, especially crucial as drug-resistant bacteria become an increasing global threat. But the wonders of frog skin don't stop there. Frogs have also evolved remarkable ways to protect themselves from toxins and predators through their skin. This unique ability offers even more opportunities for researchers to explore its medicinal potential. From treating infections to potentially fighting superbugs, frog skin is proving to be a treasure trove of benefits for future medicine. The possibilities of using frog skin in medicine are fascinating, and researchers are just scratching the surface. As we face rising concerns about antibiotic resistance, this unlikely source might help pave the way for new, life-saving treatments. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay updated on more exciting scientific discoveries. Please, we can make mistakes. Check important info. Don't try this. Thanks for watching.